Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to explore the Pandav Falls and Pandav Caves. The Pandav Fall is a serene waterfall which is located around 34 kilometers away from Khajuraho. This waterfall and the caves are located inside the core area of Panna National Park. It cascades down from a height of about 30 meters into a heart-shaped pool. Surrounded by the lush green forest, the fall is spectacular and it can be accessed even during peak monsoon season. The waterfall looks very beautiful when it is in full flow post-monsoon. The serenity, purity and mystic atmosphere of the Pandav Falls attract both the tourists and locals. At the foot of the falls, there are some ancient caves overlooking the large pool of water. This place has a myth associated with it that Pandavas have visited this place during their exile and stayed here. So this waterfall and caves are named after the legendary Pandava brothers. Pandav Falls, inside the periphery of the Panna Tiger Reserve and National Park, is also one of the places associated with this mythological story. These are the structures constructed by Raja Chhatrasal of Bundelkhand as his hunting rest house. Raja Chhatrasal was one of the prominent Bundela rulers who was also the father of Mastani of Bajirao Mastani tales. The cool, pristine water dropping from the rocks tastes exceptional with the richness of its mineral values. However, due to the heavy slippery condition of the area, presently visitors are not permitted to climb up the caves. This building is used as a shelter for the visitors in case of unexpected attacks from the wild animals, as this place is famous for frequent sighting of tigers and bears. We can also see the marks made by the bears, who are very frequent visitors of this place. A small stream breaks out from Gund River towards Pandav Falls and later it flows and joins the main river just before the rainy falls. We can also see very old laid rock formation or sandstone near the falls. This place is also famous for the hideout of freedom fighter and revolutionary leader Chandrasekhar Azad, who held a meeting of fellow revolutionaries at this place on 4th September 1929. In the memory of that event, a statue of Chandrasekhar Azad was placed in the parking area of this place in 2010. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for your valuable time.